Hello! Today is Thursday, the 13th of March. It's day 11 of my trip and I am still in Poitiers. This morning, I just want to walk along the river. We have Notre-Dame-des-Dunes up there and some sort of church there. Initially, I just wanted to walk up to l'îlot Tizon, so that's the small island Tizon, which is not even really an island. But as I suspected since yesterday's walk, it's not really that far. That's the îlot Tizon, and there isn't really anything to see or do there, so I just keep on walking. I have chicken. And I am going that way. Chemin de la grotte à Calvin. So instead of walking back there the same way I came from, I'm going to go there. Chemin du sémaphore. Association Jardinature. There's a train tracks behind that, so I'm going to walk along. Is that a chicken? Why did the chicken cross the road? Chicken? Lady, please, why did you cross the road? No, don't panic. Okay. I don't actually need to cross, but I just want to see the view. And I am back on that main road again. Very long promenade. That's great. Then I am back at the accommodation for lunch and to rest a bit. Then in the afternoon, I'm going out again to visit the biggest museum of Poitiers, le Musée Sainte-Croix. So that's the Saint Cross Museum. So that is the Saint-Pierre Cathedral. I visited it 2 days ago. And the museum is just right there. Musée Sainte-Croix, entrée. Musée Sainte-Croix. I think that's the planetarium from the Science Museum there. Le Baptistère Saint-Jean. The baptistry was built in the 5th century on the site of a baptismal room fitted in a domus. And the museum is right there. Let's have a look at the baptistry first. Alright, now towards the museum. Alright, Musée Sainte-Croix, entrée. It's in a concrete building and they have a permanent collection made of interesting prehistoric and Roman artifacts. But also some fine art paintings and sculptures. At the moment, there is a temporary exhibit focusing only on women artists, a collection of artwork given by collector Eugénie Dubreuil, who is also an artist. Dubreuil has been collecting these art pieces and is now sharing them in order to counterbalance the invisibilization of women in the art world. And I am out on here again. This was another very full and very interesting day. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!